In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook when it's working offline and not syncing your emails properly. This is a very common issue that can suddenly stop new emails from coming in or prevent your calendar and contacts from updating. The good news is that in most cases, this problem is caused by offline mode being enabled, and it can be fixed in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get Outlook back online quickly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure Outlook is open on your computer and that you're logged into your account. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the Outlook Settings panel. When the Settings menu opens, you'll see several options listed. Make sure you're under the General section, which is usually selected by default. If it's not, click on General to expand it. Under the General options, look for a tab or menu item labeled Offline. This is where Outlook controls whether your email, calendar, and people data are available offline. Click on the Offline option to open those settings. Now this is the most important step. Inside the offline settings, you'll see a toggle labeled Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People. If Outlook is working offline, this toggle is usually turned on. To fix the issue, simply toggle this option off. This tells Outlook that it should stay connected and sync data in real time instead of relying on offline storage. After turning the toggle off, scroll down if needed and click on the Save button to finalize your changes. This step is important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. Once you click Save, Outlook may prompt you to restart the application for the changes to take effect. If you see this message, go ahead and close Outlook completely, then reopen it. After restarting, Outlook should now be online and syncing your emails, calendar, and contacts normally. You can confirm this by checking that new emails are coming in and that the offline message is no longer displayed. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Outlook working offline by disabling offline mode in the settings. If this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.